What's up, YouTube? It's Ray, and I'm back with another video. I know that it's been months and Sundays. Probably might be going on almost about a year since I didn't been on YouTube. I'm just gonna keep it real with y'all. I got discouraged. I fell off. I got real hooked up in my job, and I started to pick up a new talent. I don't know if y'all can see anything new back here, but I got like some guitars over here. I have an amp here, so your girl has been learning how to play guitar. I go to guitar lessons every Monday now. I've been going for almost about a year. Well, it'll come up on a year at the end of September. So I started off with my acoustic guitar. This one. I started off with this one. Wasn't just too in love like with the sound, and it was just hard for me to with the strings. So my instructor said, I think that you should start with electric. It's more easier. So oh, by the way, this is Blue. I named Blue. This is Blue. And this here is my first electric guitar. This is Mary Jane right here. I've only been having Mary for about maybe, I want to say like a few months. I bought Mary because I had ordered me a guitar back in May. And we are now in what? September? It's just getting here. So I bought this one so I could like practice with the electric guitar, because every time I was going to practice, I had to borrow my instructor's electric guitar. So I wanted to get my own right here. So this right here is Mary Jane. I like her. But the real reason why we are in a video right now is because we're going to unbox my new guitar. That's what we're doing today. This is my paper. All right. All right. This is the Mitchell. It's a Mitchell guitar. And move that out the way. Yay, this is my new guitar. This is what I've been waiting on. I'm really gonna be practicing extra hard now. Like, look at this beautiful baby right here. I mean, look at her. Isn't she so pretty? I already got a name for her already. Like, I named her Slimy. This is Slimy. Welcome to the family, Slimy. Slimy's gonna get a lot of play versus Blue and Mary. Green is my favorite color. I love all shades of green. Really, I love lime. Like, lime green is my all-time favorite, but I couldn't find me a lime green guitar. So, I mean, hey, this green is not bad. It's pretty. Look at it. So yeah, y'all, this is the guitar. She sounds good too. It's not in tune either, so, but we just gonna plug her up. Yep. It is not in tune, not at all. Yeah, it's not in tune, but hey, we will get there. I will do that later. So yeah, this is where I've been. Sorry I haven't made any videos, but I really did want to make this video right here and unbox my new guitar. I don't know a lot about guitars because, like I said, I just really started lessons. So hopefully y'all will be getting some videos coming from me soon with me playing and me singing and hopefully writing some music soon. That is the ultimate goal. Until then, y'all be safe, healthy. We are still in a pandemic, so hey, social distance still. No, I haven't got vaccinated. No, I'm not gonna get vaccinated, but hey, that's a whole nother story. Until then, y'all be easy.